everybody. It's Justin. I'm kind of playing around with, I got a new Rodecaster deck, trying to play around with some cameras, so I figured it'd be a good time to talk about some new products I'm going to be doing on the blog. Some are new, some are old, but I haven't really talked about them. So I got a little pile here to my left. First one, I'll try to, like I said, my lighting's a little weird in here, so I'm trying to see how this goes. I got this from Cambium. It's an RV222. We're going to do a video on it later. I don't like to do unboxing videos. They're just, everybody does them. So someone's already done an unboxing video on most of these products anyway. But first one, we got a Wi-Fi 6 router from Cambium. Then one of the things I'm most excited about is Alta Labs has this AP6W out now. I've been using one for a little bit here now, trying to test it, do some some testing on it, some performance testing. This is one I've just had sitting on my desk. Got a couple Ethernet ports in the bottom. Got a power jack if you want to power it that way. This guy's powered with PoE. So this is Alta's new AP6W. Got another one from Alta here. This is, let me find it here. This is their 8-port enterprise PoE switch. Upside down, but here we go. This is going in my garage, so I can put some more cameras out there. Pretty nice little put together switch here. An eight port switch. And then last but not least, from ALG, Lucas and my buddies down in Brazil. This is a site monitor. This guy, you can monitor power, monitor inputs. I've got some inputs down here. We've got some stuff over here. It's got an Ethernet port, SNMP. It's got a web interface. So that's coming pretty soon too. Do a full-on review. I've got a bunch of content on most of this stuff. I just got to put it together. Take the time to edit videos, edit audio, create blog posts. It's a whole process. So yeah, that's what I got going on, and hopefully these videos will get a little bit better for lighting and things as I play with some of this. And yeah, thanks for listening.